It's almost 2026 and we still introduce ourselves as someone without experience. And in every job opening I see, I always see this question. Are you guys open for people without experience? Guys, let's stop asking that because we are not giving a positive impression. And let us just define what no experience mean. Is it number one, no remote work experience? Is it a requirement? Number two, skill wise, industry wise, you don't have any experience. So which among the two? Because most of the time, skill wise, you have the experience, but you do not have remote experience and that's what's stopping you from really trying. And it also affects your confidence whenever you face your future clients. Bumababa yung self-esteem mo kasi feeling mo, hindi to para sa akin kasi wala akong remote work experience. May skills ka eh. You have the skills. You have the experience from your past work. All you have to do is to adjust the remote work setting. So why introduce yourself as someone without experience? Again, if the person or if the employer doesn't require remote work experience, which you need to research about, and you think your profile fits, okay, that job opening or opportunity or that partnership, then go ahead and apply. Okay? Go ahead and reach out and tell them that, hey, I'm Jam. I am an experienced social media manager for over 10 years already. Not remotely, but these are the things that I can offer. Blah, 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 blah. These are the tools that I know. Blah, 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 blah. And I can totally adapt to the remote work setting. Gets nyo ba? Versus sabihin mo, is it open for no VA experience? It will not give you any positive experience. So please, let's stop doing that. Okay? Ilaban mo yan. Go.